Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on 8 minutes of Beanie hilarious interviews by P-Pop Insider. So I'm gonna watch it today. Let's go guys.
Kayo, ano itatawag sa inyo?
Take two.
Di ba balita ko nga,
They ask you how you are, you just say you're fine, and you're not really fun.
donasyon kayong ibinigay para sa mga tao. Ano yung thoughts niyo about it? Hello? Amazing, wala akong naririnig.
Girls reaction to Cherry on Top.
Congratulations sa inyong big debut ng Cherry on Top. Reaction lang, please. Reaction lang.
They ask you how you are, you say that you're
Yung literal na reaction.
fine, and you're not really fun.
Ay, si Mika ba to?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Si
fine.
Mika ba to or si Aya? No reaction cause no Mika. Ah, si Aya to. No reaction cause no Mika. Ano nangyari kay Mika?
And you're not really fun.
Joanna super corny joke.
Paano din naman inaliw yung mga sarili niyo sa aeroplano? Hindi ba nakatulog talaga? Hindi ko magana yung sakit sa ngayon. Tapos tinitignan ko yung bintana baka makita ko yung Saturn.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on?
Sobrang random nun.
Nakita namin sa Pluto. Saturn ba yun? Baka naman eh. Baka naman hindi Saturn yun! Sa kanya yun!
Oh. Ah.
Iuntog ko nga sa sarili.
Beanie on serious mode.
Okay, give us the attack of Aya attack, like how you would sing it as yourself. Yes.
Hi, Blooms. I hope you're making the right decision. Don't give up on your sorry, I have Don't give up on your dream. You will know it. You.
They ask you how you are, you just say that you're fine, and you're not really fun.
Beanie passing the mic saga.
Ano naman masasabi niyo sa Star Magic? You know, kasi this is a year and we wanted to go. Kasi so 3 years na. Pang third year na ito. And first time
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
Sato lang yun. Ginaganon niya yung mic. Pero sato lang.
Wow. So cake on.
Rising Star by Billboard Philippines. How does it feel accepting that?
It's truly a big honor po, especially
Magagalit kanino? Ako nang hiya pa. Ayun! Meron si ate.
Singing random with Beanie.
Iba-iba na po yung sinasabi lyrics ni Sako.
Oh my!
TV Patrol sa Facebook at TikTok. Mga kapamilya mapapanood ang TV Patrol sa
Ooh.
Kapamilya Channel Online Live, A to Z, I Want TFC at YouTube.
Sa ngalan?
Ang cute. Parang hindi na kinaya ni Mika, no? Si Mika, no, pag nag-iisa siya, parang sobrang talkative niya. Pero pag nandun na, kompleto sila, nasasapawan siya ng mga loudest group. Or, I mean, loudest members.
What the dog doing?
So high. When I say twinkle, you say star. Twinkle. When I say twinkle, you say star. Ayoko na napapagod mo ako!
Guess the slang and German word. Oh. Oh, cumbersome.
Magulo. It's so complicated. Sheila. So many.
Oh.
What the dog doing?
Silang apat lang, no? Si Mika kasi Inglesera. Ang kulit. Who's who?
Nag-away-away ba kayo
Nakita ko na tong interview na to. Sobrang laging nag-away. Si Sheena, ano lang na, speculator.
Ang peacemaker, siya ang pinapakinggan. Ikaw. Sino ang pinakamaingay?
Ate Jo, pinakamain.
Si Joanna.
Hindi ko to. Grabe naman translation niya.
Sino ang pinaka-moody? Yung totoo.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Naghugas. Asa ka naghugas? Uy, naghugas naman ako. Asa ka naghugas? Kaya kung pinagyan na sa amin na kasi
Nagbisaya si Colette. Asa ka naghugas? San ka naghugas? O, diba?
kita bang, soy? Naman ay buang ka.
Kaya pala, sinasabi nila na si Anger daw si Colette.
Pasensyosa.
Mahaba pa siya.
Really?
Oh, si Ate Colette! Si Ate Colette! Si Ate Colette!
Sino ang pinakamalakas kumain?
Lahat!
Wow. Stacy's out of the topic answers.
First question is, bakit hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi? Hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi sa bansang ito kasi
Okay, fine.
Fine. You'll be fine. Fine. F-I-N.
Ito yung interview nila sa Billboard. Kailangan kong panoorin to. Nagkalat pala si Stako dun. Anyways, yun lang. Okay, yun lang. 8 minutes of Bini Hilarious interviews by P-Pop Insider. As usual, napakakulit ng 8 girls na ito. And that's really, really good for them. Kaya sobrang mahal talaga sila ng mga blooms, of course, dahil sa kanilang mga personality, dahil sa kanilang kakulitan. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for actually watching this reaction. And I'm gonna watch other Bini related videos in the next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.